This morning, fire crews are racing the clock before the Santa Ana winds are expected to pick up later today. Right now, about 92,000 residents are under evacuation orders. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being with us. I'm Jordan Chavez.
And I'm Corey Rose. So the situation is so extreme. The National Weather Service says this setup is about as bad as it can get. They are projecting hurricane force winds, creating red flag warnings for 13 million residents from north of Santa Barbara all the way down to San Diego County. There are more than 8,000 firefighters on the front lines, and they are prepared with more resources to come. But due to the possible winds, it could limit the water drops. So far, tens of thousands of residents have been forced from their homes and to start over. One estimate says the insured losses are already at least $30 billion. At least 24 people have died due to the fire, but that number is expected to rise as many are still missing. And the Eden and Palisades fire remains mostly uncontained.